In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your learner's permit in New York. But first, we must know who is eligible to get learner's permit. First is you must be at least 16 years old to apply for a New York learner permit. This is for a standard car or class D. You don't necessarily need a driver's education course to get the permit, though if you complete a recognized driver ed course, some benefits apply, and that includes waiver of the written test in certain cases. Now, moving on to the documents that you need to gather and prepare. So, when going to the DMV, you'll need to submit a completed application form or the MV-44 application for permit, driver license, or non-driver ID card. You must also have a proof of identity, age, and legal presence. It could be a valid birth certificate or US passport. You must also have an SSN or social security number. And if you don't have an SSN, you must have a proof of ineligibility. You must also have a proof of New York residency for real ID or enhanced permit or ID. This typically means two documents showing address. It could be utility bills, bank statements, and more. Now, if you are under 18 and not using certain documents, maybe additional parental or guardian consent or the identity by guardian documentation depends on what proofs you bring. Of course, you are also required to have a vision test or a valid eye test report from an eye care professional. Form MV619 vision test report is also accepted. In the official website of DMV NY.gov, you can have an access to the link for the application for a permit form or MV44. Here you can also see the full list of proofs or basically documents that you must have. And here you can also view the permit test fee. You can use the fee chart to estimate the cost. And here you can also find your local DMV office near to your location. And from there, just head over to a DMV office with all the required documents, plus the application form, and of course, the payment. There you will take the vision screening. You must also take and pass the written knowledge test. And after passing, you get your learner's permit. Permits are valid for about 5 years. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!